so we have just finished packing the car, putting all the stuff in there, hopefully. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. But it's super windy here, so I'm in the garage. And there's Wendy. Okay, so we are in the car now. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Okay, so we're in the car. We're about to leave.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, she's gonna be crying.
I'm not gonna cry. You're gonna be crying. Say, it's time to go
It's time to go.
to Nepal.
What was that for?
Okay, we'll see you in a bit when we're doing something cool, right? So, after like 4 hours of driving, we have arrived at our hotel.
Hi.
And we just got here, so we're just chilling.
Are you chilling in the bed?
Looking at stuff, and I think we're gonna go to dinner now, so we're probably gonna just stay here for like a little and then leave. We are having dinner at Wendy, smile. Thank you. Hi everybody, so it's the next day and I have about 5 hours till I fly out. It's currently like I think it's currently like 5 p.m. or so.
Hi guys.
And I board at like 11, so I'm just gonna get everything packed. We're gonna head out to dinner and then head to the airport. So that's the plan, and we'll see what else goes on. So. Out from the hotel, and now we're off to the airport. So. Everything's packed. Yeah, I got actually, Dad took. No, Dad put it. Dad put it back.
Hey, YouTube, can I?
What do you want to say?
Bye, guys.
Checked in all of our bags, and
Other side.
which side over there?
Yeah, I'm
Now
worried a
we're
little
going
bit
to
because
security.
she's traveling by herself.
I'll be fine. Wendy, sorry, look at Wendy. Oh my god. So we're ready to go. My mom is tired. Yeah, she's complaining. But see you guys later. I'll see you in a month, okay?
1 month.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Okay, we're leaving. Bye.
Thanks for choosing JetBlue tonight. Merry Christmas, and maybe we'll see Santa Claus tonight. Enjoy the flight.
Hi everybody, so I'm not lost anymore, that's good, and I have found my gate, and I'm just looking out the window and I realized that I went from that building over there all the way to this one, and that took me about an hour and 30 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, and then I had to wait in some line to get another boarding pass, so it's been crazy. In New York, it's very rude. There's a lot of rude people here, but I get it, you gotta get things moving. So it's very stressful, and I was a little lost, but I feel better now and I'm ready for this long 12-hour flight. I'm sleepy as hell because I've only gotten like an hour of sleep. So let's get this started. Ooh, plane flying. It's so pretty. Okay, well, as I'm speaking to you, I'm falling asleep and my eyes are getting even more Asian than it can. So I will talk to you guys. I don't know when because it honestly depends on the situation. I tried to vlog. Earlier, but it was just so crazy. So I'm sorry if I couldn't get that to you guys. I'll see you next when, I don't know, maybe I'll take a video of the plane. Oh my god. I have just arrived to Nepal and just met up with all my family. I'm tired. And it was chaotic, and now I'm and now we don't know where we're going. Everybody's so cold. Kota. Euta आउने ल ल आइज ल आइज मैले भिडियो खिचेको क्या भ्लग बनाउँछु मैले भिडियो खिचेको चाहिँ सेल्फी हान्दैन. So now we are off to go home because we've done everything and I'm exhausted. And how long did you wait?
For like 15 minutes.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't see them when I walked in because they were all hiding, so. And it's really dusty here, and they say it's really cold, but I think it's really hot. I think it's really hot.